paglagot ko ng mga steam rice delivery kay dili maabot sa ilang ang sauce. Sa ila saucy pa rin kahit ilalim.
So guys, I'm here at the car, pero I'm attending actually a Zoom meeting in a bit. Tanawa. Now with Snappy, guys, and yeah, Snappy is an online-only restaurant in Cebu that serves chef-crafted meals by Chef Bruce Lim with huge servings whenever in a snap. So chef-crafted creations, big-time servings, and free delivery. So mauna guys ang ilang saad ha. So it's chef-crafted meals, big-time meals, and free delivery. So actually ni-order ko anang sa Snappy guys, and karon ato ng tilawan na ako ha, tilawan na nato in a bit. Can i-order ko kato ilang meal na nay chicken, nay pasta, nay pizza, and of course order pag yung extra pizza and steam rice. So grabe yun kayo, so you'll learn more about it in a bit.
Best value meals to you, to everyone in the Philippines, starting in Cebu, in a snap. And with that, I'll show you this video.
Recipe, and I do love it. So I didn't really touch it much. We just played with the sauce and we worked on the overall flavor profile. It is truly Cebuano, and the crab that we use is really fresh. So you're going to enjoy how clean tasting it is. Theirs was so much more flavorful, and there was so much more meat. There was no fillers or anything like that. Pure meat. It's a really good dish for a quick snack or even lunch. It's kind of close to my heart because we went through so many fried chicken recipes in one go. Before we said, okay, this is it, this is what we like. So this is almost like a southern style, American southern style fried chicken. It's served with a really nice peppery gravy, and of course it has potato wedges so that you can slop up the gravy with the potato wedges. Our pizzas are 18 inches, and we do go through, we proof the dough for a while. It has to retard, so this is not just kind of a frozen pizza. We thought about it. It has an active starter inside. We are going to talk about now the Aloha Pizza. We kind of catered this pizza, and we designed it so that every slice has a piece of pineapple and a lot of ham, because the worst thing that can happen is one person doesn't get pineapple and ham for Aloha Pizza. The chorizo pizza, we use our own recipe of chorizo. We make it ourselves in-house, and we add it to this. So it's almost like a combination pizza that you would get from any other local chain. But if this is definitely for the meat lover in the family, I really like it. It's perfect for drinks, it's perfect for watching a game, and it's perfect for a meal. Celebration menu is perfect for medianoche, and Noche Buena. Because it has everything that we all love. We get a Aloha Pizza, 6 pieces of fried chicken, and we get a really big serving size of spaghetti. This is actually good for 8 people, 6 people, but 6 people of my size, so probably 8 would be about right. But it's definitely the perfect menu that you guys all have to try.
I told my friends from Snappy that they'll deliver the food at 4:30, and it's almost 4:30, and mauna niabot na sila. Yan atong friends from Snappy. Mayong hapon ba? So mo lagi na mo siya 16 tita. Yan akong pizza. Ang uban pa. Alright.
Ato ning tan-awon rong taon-taon. Ug di apag yun kadagko diyan nilang pizza di ay. Wa ko pirmahan bay mo na.
Wala na sir.
Oh, thank you so much.
Sir, to dito pa.
So duol na di kay sila namo so firmi na ko mag-order og Snappy di ay mo ding dali rin kayo. So tanawin lang pizza dako kayo and really affordable guys. So it's Chef's creation by Bruce Lim. So excited na ko mukaon. So kana ato nan lilion sa usat ang mga unbox by. Alright, ano na to. Itong Aloha Pizza. Wow, kadako ba? Kadako. Kadako, Aloha. Ano? Oh, kanina sa lang ikadawang pizza. Chorizo pizza. Oh. Takaran, chorizo ba? Chorizo? Daghan kang chorizo? Morning steam rice, tindot yung packaging ba yo? Oh, food grade one. Best consume ko no in 4 hours. Dong spaghettis. Spaghetti. Itong chicken na humot kayo yaw. Tira. Kita ka. Woo! Di ko resist. The best for last, Snappy. We have what you call it, the steamed rice. So our Cebuano classic steamed rice is here. So guys, mag round 1 tayo itong sampling for Snappy. Snappy. You know, Snappy kita. Mut. And you know, of course, ang nice thing sa Snappy is grabe lang selections. I really kuan ako pizza food trip yun ang akong gipili. Pero napay phone na nawag. Mana. Nakalingaw nila na sila steam rice. Sila mga crab pinchers. Crab. Ano mo na mag-crab relleno? Ano mo mga crab na pinika sila pungo-pungo na sila na, pero of course nasa like kanang humba na naipansit, so it's like amazing ilang selection guys. And of course nasa like kanang isang ribs, mawa ko nag-order sa ribs kay bago na ko nag-ribs gahapon, pero for sure sa next na ko na-order kana na. So atong tilawan nilang steam rice. Usay maglagot ko ng mga steam rice delivery kay dili maabot sa ilang ang sauce. Sa ila saucy pa rin kahit ilalim. Na shrimp, na peas, na pork of course, ug ilang rice. Steam fried rice, classic Cebuano. They have that. Mga familiar flavors. Flavors that we love growing up na of course, nasa fried chicken, maatong tilawan unya. Ilang pizza, excited na sad kay ko, dagko pud kayo. The nice thing din sa ila bitaw is because di na to mabayad sa ambience sa restaurant, di na mabayad sa service. They made their servings really humongous. Di lang big, humongous as in gigantic. So ilang pizzas 18 inches raya down. Wakabot 600, 588. Yeah, it's you know, gihimo na nag-usa ka well-known chef. One of very experienced, one of the best, probably ka namang makita ninyo sa mga show, si Chef Bruce Lim. And nindot lang packaging, dili uyog. Lagot lang kung tangtang sa stickers, but it's really kuan. Maayo. Simple lang, pero very effective. So murag feeling ako dako gid ang serving is only 88 pesos. And dili kuwang sa sangkap. Kada ibot nako. Kada kuha na to sa kutsara nagi karne. Kasi uban di man ta na makakuan. So mana, if you wanna order, tanawin mo ilang menu. Tanawan ng snappy.com.ph snappy.com .ph. And I'm sure mag-enjoy ka. And in a bit, tilawan sa nako ang uban pang mga dalit nila. So this time, atong tilawan ang atong maning usa ka slice. I think they slice it into 16s. Mani ang chorizo na pizza. Of course, Cebuanos man ta. We love chorizo. Ah, nga na olives, na green pepper, bell pepper, na green, na onions, and of course chorizo. Malingaw kasi yung crust kay it's not too thin, it's not too thick as well. So, nagpo ka makuha na medyo pan but medyo crunchy siya. Wow. Medyo so far so good. Lingaw kay ko sa flavors niya. Lingaw kay ko sa overall selection. Lingaw kay ko sa packaging. Lingaw kay ko sa promptness. And also about lipay kay ko sa price. Nasa kanamurag ilang celebration na meal, festa meal na. 1188 lang. Kaya baka na naka 18-inch na aloha pizza. Tamo ito katong akong video ha. Okay lang mo sa slice. Nga ni 6 pieces chicken yan. Napagin na potato wedges. Plus a huge serving of spaghetti. So may sukol na. May medyo ingnan na ito. 1 to 50 lang. Kay palit kag cook na silingan. Laban na ba eh. Kuha na kayo. Sulit na kayo. Lami pa. Free delivery pag yun. And the serving is awesome. Mga guys, I want you to check out snappy.com.ph. Kung ganyan mo ma-order, use the voucher code na Snappy Launch. SNAPPYLAUNCH. Para naka 15% discount, bye. Power kay ka. Naka 15% discount. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hapon mag-review pa tag mga laing food kay of course magtiwas pa ko unya ang to sa dinner to chicken spaghetti o katong Hawaiian pizza. Kay busog na ko. And I wanna wait for my family para sa if they wanna take pictures, maka-pictures la. Bye.